Hey guys, so hopefully this will be a quick video. I, for the life of me, could not figure out why these trailer brakes were not working. I hope I found out why, but anyways, I checked everything I knew how. I checked all the fuses. I took out the brake controller. I actually opened it up, looked at the motherboard, all the circuit board, to make sure that nothing was broken there. Everything looked good. So I came back to here, and I originally saw that this was like this and not on there. And so I thought, maybe that got installed wrong and it's on the wrong pin. So unbolted it. There's 2 bolts that holds this on here, and then this comes off here. You pull that plug. So here's where we're at. If you look on that pin right there, there's a little bit of corrosion on there. And then if you look on that one, there's a little bit of corrosion. So I want to try and clean this up and see if that was our issue. Because like I said, I can't figure anything else out. So I got some electrical cleaner. I think it just evaporates really quick, but it's probably like carburetor cleaner or brake cleaner. It just evaporates quick. I don't know. I'll get that on there. I'll do it here. And then I found this cool tool. I think it was a Watch Wes work. If you guys like repair videos, he's pretty good. But he talked about these, and they look kind of like tweezers, but these tweezers have diamonds on them. So let's see how well this will show up or not. You can kind of see it, but that allows you to go in and kind of pick on the pin and kind of clean the pin off like that. Well, hell, I'll just show you. Well, I'll just show you. Maybe like that. Nope, hand's still in the way. Like that. I don't know. Anyway, so we'll clean that up best we can, and I'll get back with you. Alrighty, let me get some dielectric grease, slap this in there, and we'll test to see if it works. Well, hopefully you can tell. But anyways, it's a bit cleaner. That'll help it from corroding again, hopefully. Alrighty. Let's give that a shot. Yeah, gotta take a pick. I'm gonna watch this, or I want to watch where I'm poking. Alright. So that is still not the problem. Alright, well, that's a fail. As you see, got the brake lights on, but it's still not working. So I guess I should say, if you have a brake light issue or your trailer brake's not working, this could be a potential fix. Just not in my situation. So should I post this? I don't know. I think I might post this just because this is an issue that could be your issue, just not my issue. So we'll keep on hunting and try to figure this out, or try to figure out why my trailer brakes are not working. Alright, y'all comment, rate. We'll talk to you later. See ya.